feel grand to be feeding the birds on such a fine summer's day?
Oh, birds! I don't like birds! They always make fun of me!
Well, I think that's the last of them. Come on, Courage, let's hurry inside. Why, that's funny. I thought we fed the birds a few minutes ago.
My one and only brother and I. It is clear as day as we swipe all the crops away from this establishment as we mutated birds claim this farmhouse in the name of Quebec. Quebec, Quebec, Quebec!
Giant birds chanting Quebec over and over again! Search!
My word, what a lousy typist you are.
Oh yeah! Look who's the real smarty pants on the internet!
So, you have a bird problem. I think I can solve that problem for you. Hey, what about those old granny ladies who can help keep them in cages at pet stores? Surely that would be a splendid sight for them.
Oh no! How do I get rid of giant birds?
Oh, I see. Well, why not get a cat to take out the birds? Because as you know, cats love to eat birds, especially in classic cartoons. Well, you know what they say, once a twit, always a twit. Mmm. Fried two-headed canary. My favorite.
Why, confound those ravenous cats! Perhaps it is time to claim New Zealand in the name of Quebec! Quebec, Quebec, Quebec!
Hey, thanks, Mr. Sylvester.
Hey, no problem, Buster. If you ever need me once more, just give me a call. Well, see you around, little guy.
Hey, stupid dog! I'm hungry! Get me something to eat, quickly! Hungry! What, huh?